live? Okay. Hi, everybody. Okay. So, okay. Epidermis, dermis, hypodermis. Epidermis has 5 layers. The most superficial is the stratum corneum, and the deepest is the stratum basal. The stratum corneum consists of completely of dead skin cells. Skin cells are also called keratinocytes. The deepest layer of the epidermis is the stratum basal, which is really busy or making things. So again, adipose tissue in the hypodermis or the subcutaneous layer. This is your scalp, armpit, and the palm of your hand or the bottom of your foot. In the scalp, you have the epidermis, which is 5 layers, the dermis, the hypodermis, which is adipose tissue. This right here is the sebaceous gland. Secretes sebum or oil. We have to know sebum for the test. This is the merocrine sweat gland. Here you have the erector pili muscle or the goosebump muscle. Moving into the armpit, you have the layers again, the epidermis and the dermis and the hypodermis. You have your sebaceous gland again with the sebum or oil, your erector pili muscle right here, the merocrine sweat gland, which does not produce odor, and the apocrine sweat gland, which does produce odor. And again, you have your subcutaneous or hypodermis. Onto the palm of your hand or the dorsum of your foot, you have your epidermis and your dermis and your hypodermis. This time the epidermis is a lot thicker. The stratum corneum, right, is a lot thicker, has more skin on it. You have your merocrine sweat glands, again, these white things. And these sperm-like fixtures here are tactile receptors. They're nerves, and they pick up tickling. Okay, very sensitive. And this big object right here is the lamellated receptors, which pick up pressure and more firm touch. And again, this is in the palm of your hands. No hair in this layer, or in this section.